let's get to breaking news that's coming in. Prime Minister Modi's had a conversation with Brazil President Lula, with the Brazilian president dialing Prime Minister Modi. Important to highlight here because this has come just after Trump's 50% tariff announcement. Both countries have now 50% tariff imposed on them by Donald Trump. That perhaps unites them as well. Now, what we know about this telephonic conversation was that there was a specific conversation and dialogue over enhanced trade ties as well. Prime Minister Modi also has put out a post on social media where he's confirmed his conversation with Brazil President Lula and said that not just was it a good dialogue, he did confirm that what they're looking at is enhancing the partnership of the global South nations, which, as the Prime Minister puts it, benefits everyone. The timing of this particular conversation between India and Brazil not lost on anyone, because remember that Brazil, by virtue of being part of BRICS, Trump slapped an additional penalty tariff, and so Brazil faces a 50% tariff, as does India, for different reasons, of course, because Trump has questioned India over our trade ties with Russia. But I'll just read out for you what Prime Minister Modi has put out on his social media. He said, and I quote, "Had a good conversation with President Lula, thanked him for making my visit to Brazil memorable and meaningful. We're committed to deepening our strategic partnership, including in trade, energy, tech, defense, health and more. A strong people-centric partnership between global South nations benefits everyone." That perhaps is the biggest highlight of that entire post by Prime Minister Modi. Now, in the handout that's been given about the conversation between the two world leaders, it's been confirmed that there was a discussion on cooperation in trade, technology, energy and people-to-people ties. We understand that Prime Minister Modi and President Lula also exchanged views on various regional and global issues of mutual interest. Now, I refer to the timing, the fact that Brazil and India are staring at 50% tariffs. Listen in to what President Lula had said a few days ago, when he said very clearly, no matter what, he will not dial President Trump.
Vou ligar para o Trump para conversar, não, porque ele não quer falar. Mas pode ficar certo, Marina. Eu vou ligar para o Trump para convidá-lo para vir para a COP, porque eu quero saber o que ele pensa da questão climática. Vou ter a gentileza de ligar. Vou ligar para ele, vou ligar para o Xi Jinping, vou ligar para o primeiro-ministro Modi, vou ligar. Só não vou ligar para o Putin, porque o Putin não está podendo viajar. Mas vou ligar para muitos presidentes. Cara, vem aqui.